Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage Siri on your headphones Beats Studio Buds Plus. You have to start by open Settings, then choose your device, click on your device or go to Bluetooth and click on your device here. Now click on press and hold. And now choose what earbud you will use to turn on Siri. So I choose a left one and click on Siri here. Now if I press and hold multifunctional button on my earbud, I will call a Siri. Hi Siri, how are you? That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!